Hey guys, I finally got Chief Scientist Mech. Sorry for taking so long, it was only a matter of time. And I knew I would get it one day. And I officially did all thanks to this guy named a Sinister on Roblox. He is the one who helped me. So thank you, Sinister, very much. I appreciate it, man. Now enjoy.